Hey guys, Chung Dha here. We are at the Saramonic booth and we are going to check out their new setup. This is the Blink system. This is the Blink500 system. So this is a very tiny unit that goes up to like 30 to 40 meters. And also it has like a built-in microphone. So you can actually clip this onto yourself and have like a microphone like this. But you can also input a microphone into it. So you can do a lavalier or clip mic setup with this. And it is still like a small setup. So this here is the receiver unit, also very tiny. So the battery life of these are about 4 to 5 hours. And yeah, there's a line out over here, and you can of course connect these to like a USB Type-C and connect it to a power bank, have a longer battery life. But the small design of these of course is more for like the casual vloggers, and also if you want to use this in combination with like a gimbal, because like having like the more bigger professional units, often those are too heavy to put on your gimbal. You need to have like extra setup or a handle to put those on, and then you have tons of cables. But now if you want to have it directly onto the camera, and also if having like the 360 roll, it makes it easier with these kind of small transmitter and receivers. So here we have actually much more smaller receivers. So these are for your phone. So here is one with lightning, and here is a USB Type-C. So you get like a unit which you buy like a transmitter unit and a receiver unit. And these are still very tiny. You can actually mount this onto like a phone gimbal and still be able to use it and not have to use too much of like a counterweight compared to like if you connect any other things to your phone. And yeah, these are quite interesting for like vloggers with or using your phone, or people doing live stream. You have like a small setup that you have enabled to do wireless. And yeah, pretty much looking forward to these setups. Right now this is a prototype, so these are not working, so I can't do like a sound test yet. So pretty much looking forward to them to make the final versions and see these coming out. And these are like pretty much straight competitor with the Rode Wireless Go. But it's quite still interesting because they can actually have like a single receiver with double transmitters, and that is going to be interesting if you do like an interview and have like multiple people that you want to mic up instead of a single person. So that is a major difference with this setup compared to the Rode VideoMic Go or Wireless Go, because this you can mic at least 2 people instead of a single one. So that was it here from the Saramonic booth. Hope you guys found this a very interesting video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.